So, my thoughts on day trading on Bitcoin on Robinhood or anything on Robinhood. Personally, I'd never do it that way. And here's why. Right now, here's one example. You're just really looking at lines. You can't really analyze much beyond the day chart. Even if you do go through a bar chart, it looks like gibberish. Like, I can't even really zoom in or out to kind of try to form an analysis. I guess I could add, their version of a moving average, whatever they have. I'm limited to whatever tools they may be using. So I can't really make a proper analysis. Like, I can't even use trend lines or anything at all, or move my chart around. Even if I did go over to the daily, this is like garbage. Why would I want to trade when I'm so limited on here? I mean, yeah, it's commission free, but that's a lot of money on the line, especially when you're trading Bitcoin. Trading is a whole other experience versus purchasing the asset and then letting it ride. I understand if you just want to purchase the asset, leave it alone for years or months or whatever you want to do. But if you're going to trade it, might as well do it right. I wouldn't limit myself to Robinhood. I would, if you wanted to actually get a broker, I would do it through a Forex broker, not a stockbroker that kind of limits you in this type of way. Like, let me go to tradingview.com. This is one example of something that you could actually use as actually better than just limiting yourself to the Robinhood platform. You can do that, but BTC USD is Bitcoin versus US dollar. Like, yeah, you can do it this way too, but now you still don't see your entry. Really, when you do make the entries, you're just kind of just going based off of what this is showing you, which isn't a bad idea. I mean, and then you're set up with a variety of tools if you know how to use them. Like, I have the trend lines. Like, you can do the Gartley pattern. You can draw on here if you want to. There's I don't know what that is personally. Remove. Let me see if I wanted to make a long position. I've never actually used these before. Basically, a long means if I wanted to say it was buying. Oh, look at that. I can move it around. I can actually set it for the amount of pips I think it was going up, personally. Or a stop loss set where I believe that will drop, and I can save the picture if I wanted to, post and publish it if I wanted to, look at other people's examples or trading ideas if I wanted to do that. But personally, I wouldn't place my bias on somebody else's opinion. I would like to make my own opinion and move off with that, unless it's some sort of mentor or someone that's more skilled than I am. You never want to limit yourself to ideas of people that you don't even know. You want to see somebody else's experience from the jump. But overall, you have a clear set of tools here. More tools than you actually get out of Robinhood. Even for patterns. You probably don't even know patterns exist if you're just limiting yourself to Robinhood. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But I'm just showing you one of the better ways to actually do it. Another route that you could take, you can actually get a legit Forex broker that actually allows you to trade cryptocurrencies, and you can like trade through that. So one that I actually use is Osprey. I'll put the link to my broker in the description. That way you can find them pretty easily. And pretty much, yeah, you still have your full set of tools. A variety of tools. I don't use too many. I mainly use like trend lines and boxes to kind of figure out what's going on with Bitcoin and everything else. I try to find my patterns. I try to figure out why is it dropping, why is it rising, where is it. I'm trying to project where it's going to go next. You don't just want to guess when you're day trading, because that's, like I said, there's a lot of money at risk. But overall, even still, when you have a broker, yes, I can still set a stop loss. I have more control. I can limit my losses if I wanted to do that. If I have 5 cents, I can just, if I thought that it could potentially go over 10K, I would stop myself there. I can stop myself at a lower point if I wanted to. That way, if it breaks a pattern, I'm secure. I only lost like $4, and I can see how much money I could potentially make. That's the risk and reward. Oh, negative $3 versus over $43. That's not bad. I have control of whether I'm going to buy or sell, how much, the lot sizes per pip, if you know anything about pips. But yeah, overall, I have more control. I can draw things out. I can move my chart around and do a more thorough analysis. And at the same time, my trade is just right here and I have control of everything. So with that, I say I would never limit myself to a Robinhood broker's like analysis as far as day trading goes, or anything with. Well, you can do this with an app too. I mean, I not only like monitor this with my computer, but my app. So you aren't limited there either. On my phone, I still have these tools available to me. I just can't use like indicators, which at this point in time, I don't even use indicators anymore. I mean, I recommend that most people should learn to trade without those type of tools, because it can be noisy, but it is totally up to you. Whatever strategy works for you, roll with it. If it makes you money, roll with it. But overall, for me, it's just much easier to actually use these tools, these trading platforms, from a serious Forex broker compared to like Robinhood, which is, yeah, it is a good app. It is a great opportunity for longer term investing, but I would personally never use their platform to try to figure out my trades. But if you have any further questions, feel free to give this video a like and comment below. Comment below your questions. Give it a like if you feel this video is pretty helpful. And if you want any more advice as far as trading goes, feel free to subscribe. I have a lot of content here. Have a good one. Oh, and click the link in the description to get that link as far as my broker is concerned. If you want a new broker, you want to check out TradingView, I'll put all the links in the description.